Welcome back, friends. I'm Sir Puffington, and today we are going to learn how to describe time with words. Crush, would you bring that clock over here, please?
Here goes, sir. Did you know they are making a movie called Clocks? It's about time.
Ha, funny one, Crush. This here is an analog clock. They seem to have a lot going on, but I will walk you through it. When we tell time, we want to determine the hour and the minutes past the hour. We can see the hour of the day by looking at the big numbers on the clock. In between each set of big numbers are 5 small tick marks. These represent minutes. Now, the big numbers help us with minutes too, because we can use them to count by fives to determine how many minutes it is past the hour.
I get it, but didn't the title say we were going to use words to describe time?
Yes, it did. A clock could be divided into 4 equal sections.
This sounds a lot like fractions.
Understanding fractions is going to help you with this part. Each section is made up of 15 minutes. The parts the clock is broken apart into are called fourths. They also are called quarters.
Like money?
Yes, it takes 4 quarters to make a dollar. When the minute hand points at the 3, the clock has moved 15 minutes or a quarter of an hour. The time shown on this clock is described as a quarter after 7. The 7 represents the hour. Another way it can be said is a quarter of 7. When the minute hand points towards the 6, it represents 30 minutes past the hour. As you can see on the clock, the minute hand has moved halfway around the clock. This clock shows half past 7. Take a look at this last clock. The minute hand is pointing towards the 9. It is 45 minutes past the hour. There is a quarter of an hour left before the next hour. We say it is a quarter to whatever the next hour is. The hour hand is between 7 and 8. The time shown is quarter to 8. There are 15 minutes before 8 o'clock.
Basically, if the minute hand is pointing towards the 3, we use the terms quarter of or quarter after because the minute hand has moved around a quarter of the clock. If the minute hand is pointing towards the 6, we use the terms half past. This means the minute hand has moved halfway around the clock. Finally, if the minute hand is pointing towards the 9, we use the term quarter till, because there is only a quarter of the clock left to reach the next hour.
Jolly good, Crush. Keep up the good work.